How's it going, guys? My name is Shane here at Mac Haik Toyota. Just want to give you a quick little run through of how to connect the Bluetooth here on your brand new 2025 4Runner. So hop right here into your settings menu there. You're going to look for Bluetooth and devices. So once you click that, it'll take you to this screen here. You're going to look for search for devices. Go ahead and press that there. And now this is where you're going to open up your phone. You're going to go to your settings, Bluetooth, and you're going to scroll down all the way until you find your phone. You click on your phone there on the screen. It'll give you the option to say pair. Press pair on your phone. You can choose to allow or don't allow your contacts depending if you want your contacts saved to your vehicle. For this purpose, I'm going to press don't allow, and we're going to press OK here on the screen. And now, just like that, we're all connected. It's going to ask if we want to go ahead and enable Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. So you'll press yes on your screen, press OK on your phone. This is where if you have the Toyota app, it's going to give you an announcement asking you if you want your vehicle to connect to your phone. Same thing here, the 4Runner is going to ask to check for CarPlay apps. You can allow or decline depending on what you choose. So we'll go ahead and press don't allow for now. And just like that, super simple, already connected, hands-free, takes about 30 seconds, and you can play around with some of your favorite apps, listen to your own music, and go from there. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Once again, my name is Shane here at Mac Haik Toyota, and we're here to help.